This is Big Rob with a new tutorial, part 1, on how to make the winter soldier's mask and glasses. And this is what the winter soldier's mask and glasses are going to be looking right after you finish it. This is the file we're going to be using. Materials you're going to need is a X-Acto knife, a ruler if you want, to make sure that you do the cuts right, or you can do it freehand if you like. That's what I do myself. We're back. Right after almost a little bit over 20 minutes, we are done cutting the little pieces on the files. As you can see here, what's next is we're going to have to start gluing the pieces into cardboard. What I like to use is the cardboard from the cereal boxes. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, which is perfect for this type of files, or I should say this type of prop. Okay, so I'll see you next time, and make sure you do hit that like button if you do like the video. Make sure you also subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Thank you.
Get it?